Please, congratulations for this wonderful, wonderful endeavor that has been taken by the Youth Incorporated. I think it's such a brilliant thing and so very inspiring, especially for the youth today, to understand that their work, their efforts for the festivals that they, the functions that they had during the festivals is not only acknowledged, appreciated, judged, and some of them are also given prizes. I think this is very, very, it'll give them a new impetus. I think this would also set a trend, in my view, for more colleges to come out with more innovative things which are there, and there will be a very healthy competition amongst colleges and the institutes to have the best, and I think we will have the best of the talents that we will see, which otherwise probably may have been a little latent or not some behind the screen. Because today everybody has a big screen or a television screen, but to have this kind of a platform, and which will give a lot of sort of a lot of acknowledgement and awareness at the same time about the kind of talent that exists amongst our youth today. It's a brilliant initiative, and I can never think of, besides thanking them, I can never think of any novel way of bringing the talent of the youth for the forefront. I think it's a brilliant job done by them. Well, my personal favorite were a couple of things. One of them was Malhar, because maybe a little bit of bias, because I was an ex-Xavierite, but not really. And also the expressions, which was the Hyderabad, I think, thing which was there. Well, yeah, ex-IPM. So I think they were very different and from the rest. But to be very honest, as a jury member, I can tell you it was very difficult for us to make a choice between so many good things which are there, and we were spoiled for choice, and I think that made it a little more difficult, but it was brilliant. Thank you so much.